Are you thinking about downloading Moneylion to make some extra cash? Let's look at the real numbers. So, Moneylion isn't a side hustle app, it's an all in one financial tech platform. It is built to help you manage, borrow, and invest. It is for a quick safety net. It's great, offering interest-free cash advances up to $500 via Instacash alongside automated investing and credit building tools. Yes, there's an income tab where you can play mobile games or partner you complete partner offers, but it only pays out pocket change. So here's the catch. If you want your cash advance instantly, you have to pay an extra turbo fee plus premium subscriptions like Credit Builder Plus or Money Lion Wow, which cost $10 to $20 a month, which can easily swallow your spare cash. So Money Lion is completely legitimate if you need basic investing or a credit boost. Just skip it if your only goal is a lucrative revenue stream.